Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Sprint in Lunaire White. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, active blind spot assist, adaptive cruise control with stop, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7207.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.